Hi, for today's video is how to use Spotify on iPhone. Spotify is a digital music podcast and video streaming service that enables users to access a variety of songs and other contents. Spotify service is offered for free. However, it will allow users to play music. Thus, you have the option to upgrade its premium service to take advantage of other content like video streamings. First thing you're gonna do is you need to download the app in the App Store. Just type for Spotify app and just simply download it. After launching Spotify, tap sign up for free. You can also select continue with Facebook if you wish to access Spotify using your Facebook account or log in if you have an existing Spotify account. You just need to follow the instructions. And once you're done with your account, you can start using the app. You can search for your favorite artists, songs, or podcasts. Head to home search. Then type whatever content you'd like to search. You can also scroll down and select from the genre provided. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!